To add a tree to our snow globe, we'll start by selecting a sprite. Click the plus icon on the left, scroll down to the Nature section, and double-click on the tree sprite to add it to the stage. Once it's on the stage, place the tree wherever you'd like inside the snow globe. Let's add Christmas lights to the tree. Click the plus icon and the paintbrush to create your own light sprite. Start by choosing a color for the light, like red, and use the circle tool to draw an oval shape. Fill it in with the paint bucket. After you've drawn your light, let's shape it to look more like a bulb. Start by clicking on the arrow icon on the right, then click on the oval you just drew so that the nodes appear. To adjust the shape, pull the top and bottom nodes outward, stretching the oval to resemble a bulb. To create the string of lights, use the freehand tool and select black for the strand. Draw the line to connect the light to the tree. Once you're happy with your light, click the check mark. If you want more lights, click the plus icon again, select the light you just created, and change the color using the paint bucket. You can keep adding more lights by editing the ones you've already made. Feel free to change the colors or add extra strands going in different directions. Let's resize the light. Click the shrink block, adjust the size, and place the light on the tree. Then resize and place it where you want it on the tree. For the tree topper, click the plus icon and select the star and then the paintbrush icon at the top right. Use the freehand tool to draw rays coming out of the star. Once you're happy with the rays, click the check mark and resize the topper using the shrink block. Place it on top of the tree. Let's decorate the tree with ornaments. Feel free to decorate your tree with your choice of ornaments. Let's create a snow pile for the bottom of the snow globe. Click the plus icon, then choose the paintbrush to create your own snow sprite. Select white for the color and use the freehand tool to draw the snow. Be sure to connect the lines. Use the paint bucket and fill in the snow pile. After drawing the snow pile, click the check mark to add it to the stage. Let's draw snow for the snow globe. Click the plus icon and click the paintbrush. Use the circle tool and draw small white circles for the snowflakes. Fill them in with the paint bucket and click the check mark when you're done. Move the snowflakes to the top of your snow globe. Add more snowflakes by clicking the plus icon and selecting the snow you created to add another to the stage. Position them around the stage, making sure they overlap for a more realistic snowfall effect. You can add as many snowflakes as you like.